You know, sometimes a single job posting can tell you everything you need to know about a company's huge ambitions. It's like a blueprint, right? It shows you not just what they're building, but how they're going to build it, who they need to do it, and really, what the future of high-stakes tech looks like from the inside. Okay, let's dive into this.
And this quote, wow, it just sets the stage perfectly. This isn't just a call for another employee, it's a full-on declaration of intent. It's screaming, this is a high-intensity, high-growth environment, and it's for a very specific kind of person, someone who actually gets excited by a challenge and wants to make a real impact, like yesterday.
All right, so here's how we're going to break this down. We're going to deconstruct this whole blueprint piece by piece. We'll start with the mission itself. Then we'll look at the exact talent they're hunting for, check out the tools they're using, get a feel for their core philosophy, and then finally, see what's on the table in return. Think of it as our case study for building a truly generational company.
Okay, first things first, the mission. Every great company, especially in the tech world, it all starts with a super clear, really ambitious goal. It's the North Star that guides every single decision they make. And this mission is so specific and incredibly timely. The keywords here are everything. You've got open source, which tells you it's all about community and collaboration. You've got security, which is a fundamental need for, well, everyone. And then AI era, which plants their flag right in the middle of the biggest tech shift happening right now.
And get this is not just some idea on a whiteboard. This company is already operating at a massive scale. We're talking 1.5 billion secrets, things like API keys, passwords, all that sensitive stuff, managed securely every single month. That just shows you the insane level of responsibility they're handling and proves their system is already battle-tested.
And this slide really drives home the trust they've already built. I mean, when you see names like Hugging Face, an absolute titan in the AI world, right next to massive enterprises like LG, that's some serious validation. These aren't just small-time customers. These are major players who are betting their security on this platform.
So that brings us to the human element. A mission this huge? Well, it needs a very specific kind of talent. You can't just build the future with anybody. You need a team that can execute at the absolute highest level. So who are they looking for? They say it right out in the open. Their hiring bar is exceptionally high. And you got to believe them. This isn't just some corporate fluff. It's a core part of their strategy. They're making a bet that a small, elite team can run circles around a much larger average one.
And the job itself reflects that. This is not a role where you just get assigned tickets and you code in a corner. Nope. You're expected to talk directly to enterprise customers, you're going to be expanding whole new product lines like PKI and SSH, and you'll even be experimenting with brand new ways to use AI and security. It's all about ownership and innovation, not just cranking out code.
All right, next, let's look at the toolbox. The technology stack a company uses tells you so much about their priorities, the kind of problems they're solving, and what skills they think are absolutely essential for winning right now.
This slide is just a perfect snapshot of a modern tech role. On the left, you've got the core stuff: JavaScript, React, Node, TypeScript. That's a solid, scalable, and super popular foundation. But the right side, that's where the real ambition shines through. The bonuses go for high-performance stuff: DevOps for bulletproof infrastructure, founder experience for that ownership mindset, and open source contributions for community trust. It all points right back to their mission. They don't just want a coder, they want a builder.
But look, technical skills are only half the battle. The right mindset, the company culture, that's what really makes or breaks these high-growth teams. And this company is crystal clear about the mindset they value above all else.
So here's the magic phrase: a bias toward action. What does that actually mean? It means they don't want people who wait around for the perfect plan. They want people who can move fast, who can learn from their mistakes, and who can push things forward without getting stuck. That is the engine of a startup. And you can see this culture in the team they've already put together. They've got people with experience from game changers like Figma and infrastructure giants like AWS. And their work style? It's a hybrid remote model that gives you flexibility, but also makes sure everyone connects in person, aiming for the best of both worlds. All right. Finally, let's talk about the payoff. To get exceptional people to solve these incredibly hard problems, you have to offer an exceptional opportunity. So, what's the deal?
First off, the salary is very competitive, landing somewhere between $160,000 and $250,000. That makes sure top talent is paid well for their skills right from day one. But then there's this, and it's the other crucial piece of the puzzle: equity. This stake gives employees real, genuine ownership. Your success is literally tied to the company's success, which can turn a job into a mission
with a potentially life-changing outcome. And let's be clear, this is not a garage operation. With $19 million in funding from absolute top-tier investors like Y Combinator and Google, this company has the cash and the credibility to go after its big goals. That means stability and resources for the long haul.
But really, the payoff is so much more than just money. The real promise is to become a defining piece of the team. It's the chance to take full ownership of major parts of the platform, to make the key decisions, and to grow your career at a speed that's just not possible at a bigger company. It's all about impact.
So, when you put all these pieces together, the huge mission, the hunt for top talent, the modern tech stack, the fast-paced culture, and that blend of salary with true ownership, you get this incredibly clear blueprint. It's a model that's built on high expectations and high rewards. Which leaves us with one last thought. What does this single blueprint reveal about the broader future of work and technology?